Thanks so much for taking us through that. Viewers, let's just focus and get into conversation with an earnings candidate. We've got the management of GK Energy. The CMD, Mr. Gopal Kabra, is joining us on the show right now. Mr. Kabra, good afternoon and thanks for your time. I'm just taking a look at your numbers. They've just come and they look like a very strong set of numbers, although there's been some margin pressure. Before we talk about that, talk to us about the kind of surge that we've seen in revenue. It's grown by about 35%. How sustainable is this rate, and can we see this continuing for FY27 too?
Thank you for inviting. And the whatever the surge you are saying, I won't say it's a surge. It is the trend which is got set because of the future requirement is there for the solar pumps and the solar rooftop and overall solar ecosystem. So looking towards the geopolitical scenario also, so we should expect that this trend shall go ahead. And if India want to be self-reliance, non-dependent worldwide, then we have to promote the decentralized renewable energy, and I believe Honorable PM Sir is doing really great work on that. And they have recently just said that, solar should be used. So it will continue.
Mr. Kabra, just going back to Prime Minister's comments, he did emphasize the usage of solar pumps. Talk to us about, of course, this is only 2 or 3 days ago, but on the back of that, any addition to your pipeline or anything that you're seeing in the future in terms of how the demand could shape up now that the Prime Minister has also appealed to increase the usage of solar equipments?
Definitely, because many states are coming up to have the more solar pump installations. Maharashtra, Haryana, Rajasthan, UP did, now MP is also coming, and I believe few more states also having the discussion at the MNRE level, where they want to bring the PM Kusum 2.0, where they are asking for the higher number of the share because they have understood that solar pumping is required for them.
Okay. And while we're talking about solar pumps, can you also talk to us about how the rooftop solar segment is shaping up for you?
Fantastic. Actually, this is what the area where we are also emphasizing. We have secured some good, strong orders as well. And we are looking towards future to have the very large quantum of the business there. So solar rooftop under PM Surya Ghar scheme, where right now we are under the PM Surya Ghar rooftop scheme installation month. May 2026 has been declared by government of India to have the highest number of the solar rooftop system. This is scaling up very good. Then Maharashtra came up with the smart scheme where they want to give 1 kilowatt of the solar rooftop system to the people, those who have less than 100 unit consumption. And we are one of the strongest eligible player who got eligible there. And we are expecting some orders from them soon.
Okay. And while all of this is looking really optimistic, Mr. Kabra, help us understand what has caused the little bit of pressure that we've seen on your margins this time around. They've come in at around 17.6%, fallen from 18.8. Can you help us understand what are the factors at play that are causing this pressure on the margin?
If we being promoters, and I believe market, everyone looks towards the PAT, pure, what is the pure profit what we have. If you see that we have from 133 crore to we came to 201 crore. Plus, if you talk about my percentage has been in overall percentage profit has been increased. So at what point we are talking on the future as well. So it is going to improve. But definitely due to the international market scenario, there may be some time being scenario may occur where the margin will may have the small dip. But being asset light modeling, what we have drive, there we are not getting that pressure. So although other player may have got the pressure, but if you see my profits are gone up than last year because my decentralized model where we have the strong tie-up and OEM, ODM based modeling, so we are able to control our manufacturing cost.
Okay. And Mr. Kabra, can you help me understand what your supply chain is looking like at the moment? Is there been have you seen any commodity inflation in your raw material basket basis which have you taken any pricing actions?
We have seen it, but don't have any impact on the GK because we came with the long-term association with the various vendor, and this vendor have dedicated lines to us. So we contribute their 50 to 70% of production. So we get always special price, and my vendors have been supporting for us in the growth because we give them a volume. So we are not looking in GK Energy that there would be any great impact of the cost going up.
That sounds optimistic. On that note, Mr. Kabra, thank you so much for your time. Congratulations on the quarter that you've seen. The street is also reacting really well to it. The stock is trading higher by about 3.5%. And more importantly, good luck for the new year to come.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, viewers.